All right, everybody, we're back in Temecula this morning, and I have an interesting uh, problem that needs to be fixed. Check this out. Our customer just called us with this problem. This is the sprinkler valve, and we're over, just so you know, we're over by Temecula Parkway and Butterfield. And this valve literally blew off of right there. Now, something to keep in mind, this thing has been leaking, and the reason I can tell is because of this type of root. All these little fungus root things, this is indicative of a constant slow leak. So that's been going on. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna cut this one out, cut it below the surface, put all new valve in, new piping, make this thing right, because this thing wasn't installed properly and the Temecula water pressure got to it. This is the finished result right here. Brand new valve, schedule 80 piping, new couplers. The reason the old one failed was because there was no primer on the pressurized side. There was just glue. This will ruin it every time. It will eventually break. So if you're putting in a valve, lesson is always use that purple primer. That will make it really absorb the glue properly, and it'll last a lot longer. Thanks for watching.